Hello,
Good morning, sir.
very good morning. How are you all? Doing good? Doing good, doing good. Okay, guys, so we'll start the class. So before that, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Turn on your camera, please. And if you have any doubt regarding the questions or anything, please ask me. Miraculin, you have any doubt?
Yeah, so the first question.
Let me check. In the terminal exercise,
Yes, sir.
Sir, sir, I just the
hmm.
term exercise question number 1 to 8 because other two questions need to be the questions from the part we haven't yet done.
Sorry, say it again, beta.
I have only done questions from 1 to 8 because the other two questions are the part we haven't yet done.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's why I'm saying. That's why I told it to you that the question, the concept that we did, only that question you have to do, nothing else.
Right.
Okay, so Miraculin has started question number one. Yes, Miraculin, you have to cut this line segment 8 centimeter into 3 is to 5 ratio. Okay, so I hope this is the first one that we did. So how I told you, like we have to first make a rough diagram. Did you make the rough diagram?
Yes,
So
sir.
like this is like AB line, which is 8 centimeter, and then there is a point P, which divide them into 3 is to 5 ratio. Now what is, so you didn't remember anything or you're not able to get it? What is the reason?
Uh, till making the baseline, I could remember, but how to divide that 3:5? That's
Okay, so like you make a baseline which is 8 centimeter, this you did.
yes, sir.
Okay, so AB is 8 centimeter. Till here, out of 3, you get 3 4 because you made the diagram also and you make the baseline. Okay, so now if I will extend, I told you to make any acute angle of ray AX. This is the first one, no? And then how many ratios are there? It is 3 is to 5 ratio. So 3 is to 5 ratio means how many cuts you have to make? 3 plus 5, which will become 8 cuts.
Yes, sir.
Remember now?
Yes, sir.
Now put your needle on A, cut 8 like this of equal distance without disturbing the compass of any measurement. So like A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. Oh, sorry. Equal measurement. This one, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. I hope it is there. It's not a major number. Tak, 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 tak. I know. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to write the name. This one is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. This A6 will come here. This one is A6. This one is A7. And this one is A8. Yes, line. I will delete it.
I think then we have to join B and A8.
Yes, B and A again. Now you remember?
Yeah.
So you want me to do full again? If you want, then I will do it.
No, sir, I can do this.
Then you have to make like put your needle like we know that it's 3:5. So it means that first we have to put your needle at A, name them L and M. Then because 3:5 ratio is there, then on C cut this will be the T. Then measure L and M. Then put your needle on this and this and this you will get 3:5 ratio. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
Will you do it by your own now? Is it
Yes, sir.
easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Anybody has any doubt? The questions? Miracle and David, you have any doubt?
Sir, I have a few questions on sum. Like maybe you could first check how I did the questions.
Hmm.
I mean, how I did answers.
You want me to check your homework?
Yeah.
Steps of construction and all. Okay, okay. Let me check. Let me check. The perpendicular bisector that you are making, it is very light. Don't make it too light because it is not visible.
Okay, sir.
I guess the -1 is not correct. The -1 is not correct. Agatha.
Which question are you talking about?
Question number 6. Question number 6 is not correct. Let me check the question number 5.
No.
Question number 5. Did you make that?
Yeah.
Like you draw PC in question number 5, then did you make the perpendicular bisector?
I made a perpendicular bisector. That's why I got A.
Okay, but in this -1, it is not, there is no perpendicular bisector.
There is. It's again not clear.
But the point will be on not PB, no? The C point that you make, it won't be on PB. If you have, what I told you, you make a perpendicular bisector of PB, then extend the line. Wherever the line are meeting, there will be the point. You getting it? What I'm trying to say? What
So
you
point
did?
will not be on.
Okay.
Okay, so what I took perpendicular bisector of PB, and then I extended the line till PB. I got C.
No. If you are making perpendicular bisector of PB, so you have to extend the line and it will meet at ray AK. And the ray AK where it will meet, then it will be the point C.
So it should meet around the ray AK. Okay.
The perpendicular bisector of PB, you have to extend it till the ray AK meet. You're not writing the angle also. Why? The angles are missing. 45 degree and all. In that question only, 6th question only. Okay.
Okay. How about the fifth one?
Fifth one, I am not able to see the PC perpendicular bisector. And if it is like you are not drawing the line also, what I told you, draw the perpendicular bisector of PC, then make a straight line. It should cut the BP. And the wherever it is cutting, that will be the A. But I am not able to see any line which is passing through A, which is the perpendicular bisector of PC. Getting my point? Even I'm zooming in, still I'm not getting any line which is coming from PC. Did you draw any line? Agatha? You draw the perpendicular bisector of PC. Then you have to extend this line, like you have to join the cut, which is left and right. And then wherever it cut on BP line segment, there you will get the answer. Okay, you send me another picture. That is correct. But where is the line? Like you make two cross, right and left, no?
Yeah.
You make two cross, right and left. Where is the line? The line over there.
I didn't really
That
make a line. Like, just put the scale between them, then just marked where a line was coming on PK.
no. You have to draw the line. Draw the line and then tell me is it coming on A or not. The two cross should meet. Okay, we meet with the line, and wherever they meet, they will cut the BP way or BP line segment. Then you will get the answer. Got it? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and if you're getting like 9 is not correct, maybe some mistakes are there that you're doing. Hmm? Okay, you try to do that. So till then we'll start a new topic. Yeah.
Is A supposed to come on BP or is A supposed to come on CK?
No, BP.
I think I did some mistake.
Yeah. Perpendicular bisector of PC makes the line cut on line segment BP. And wherever the line segment BP is cutting, there you will get the answer. Okay. Now we'll start today new topic called as construction just give me a second. Construction of a circle. Okay, today we're gonna learn construction of a circle. So how will you make a circle? How will you make a circle? Any idea? Simple. That, for example, if there is a question, everyone turn on a camera. Betya, David, Miraculin, Agatha, please draw a circle of radii 4 centimeter. Draw a circle of radii 4 centimeter. How will you draw this? That you have to measure 4 centimeters from a circle, like put a needle on 0 and then pencil on 4 and then put your needle and then make a circle. Are you getting this, guys? Miraculin?
Yes, sir.
So here the needle where you put that will be the center of the circle. O, and um, this will be the R. So OR will be the radius of 4 centimeter. Did you understand? No. Hmm? Will you give it a try? Draw it quickly. Quickly draw it. Miraculin. Done? Guys, done? David, are you there? Okay. Now put a heading tangent of a circle. Put a heading tangent of a circle. Okay. What is tangent of a circle? For example, this is a circle, and in the circle, if a line just touching the point of a circle, this called as tangent. Okay. If a line, will make a line. If a line just passing and touching the point of a circle, you guys can see only this point is touching, no? Okay, that the line just is called as tangent of a circle. Okay, so O, this one, AB is the tangent of a circle. AB is a tangent of a circle. Did you understand, guys? Bethia, David, did you understand? Say yes or no. David, Miracle, are you there? I think David is not there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now listen, guys. There is one property that radius and any tangent always makes 90 degree. So radius and tangent. This is the radius and this is the tangent. They always makes 90 degree. Are you with me, guys? Hmm? So for example, this is the radius, this is the tangent, and the angle between them is always 90 degree. The angle between them is always 90 degree. Did you understand, guys? Radius and tangent always make 90 degree. Write it down. Done, Magatha? Betty done? Miracle? David done? Hmm? Now, draw a tangent given to a circle at a given point on using the center of the circle. Now we have to draw the tangent. So we know that the tangent and the radius always make how much? 90 degree. Okay. So for example, we'll take one example. Under this we have one question. The question is draw a circle 8 centimeter and 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 draw tangent to it. Draw a tangent to it. Now how will you do this question? How will you do this question? For example, you have this circle. So first of all, you have to draw that circle of 8 centimeters. So instead of 8, I will write 6 centimeters so that it can come in your book. So draw a circle of 6 centimeters. Quickly draw this quickly, guys. Hello. Am I talking to screen or to the students? Not getting any response today. What happened?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So draw a circle of 6 centimeters. Done. Now you guys tell me, how will we make? Like we make a circle 6 centimeter of radius 6 centimeter. So how we can make tangent from it now? Any idea? Any idea? Just give it a try. Agatha, any idea? How will you make tangent? Just now I gave you the property, above property.
Make 90° on
90
O.
degree on O. See, I told you, tangent is this line. This is the tangent line. It is not passing from O. Listen, Agatha. It is from the P, which is the radius endpoint circumference. So here also, from A makes 90 degree. Like make an arc, up and up and up and up and down. Done. Did you understand me correctly?
Yes, sir.
No.
Just do that with O.
No, with not with O. O is the center of the circle, but from A.
Um,
From A, make a semicircle and makes 90 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree, and the line will touch the O A point. That will be the tangent. Got it? Miracle?
So can
No.
I repeat that?
See, from A, we know that tangent and radius makes 90 degree. Correct? Now listen. Now, for example, this is A point. Can I make a semicircle like this? Listen, Miracle.
Yes.
This is 60 degree. This is 120 degree. And this will be the 90 degree. A line passing from this and it will touch the A, you will get a tangent. Can you do it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Do it quickly and tell me the answer. Done? Or should I wait for 2 minutes?
So can you show the diagram afterwards?
Okay. So let me make it. Okay.
So it's 90 degrees, sir.
90 degree?
Yeah. Can I show my diagram?
Yes. I'm a very professional. Yeah. What do you see? So now makes first this will be the 60 degree. This will be the 90 degree. Then one from 60 degree, one from 90 degree. So you will get this point. This will be the A point. Then join this, and this.
So can you see my diagram?
Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Like this. Yeah, show me now. Show it to me. Can you put me near to it? Just give me a second. Just give me. Now, show it to me. Okay. Okay. Name them A and B and write the steps of construction also. Okay. After the class. Correct, diagram. Agatha, you got it? David, Betya, you got it? Say yes or no?
So how did you made the point A and B?
Oh, no. The A, it's not be A and B, it's PQ. It will be P and Q. And just when you draw the 90 degree, you make the straight line and make like this arrow and name any name P and Q. Simple. Okay. You have to extend this 90 degree. Like this should be 90 degree. Remember this.
Yes.
Let me check, Agatha. Where is your 90 degree, beta, Agatha? Yeah, show me that part. Okay. Yeah, extend this tangent. Extend this tangent. Like this, Agatha, which I extend, no? Up also and down also. No, that P point, no need. Just give me a second. That P point, no need. Agatha. I told you, tangent can be any side. Like this can also be tangent. This can also be tangent. This can also be tangent. Any line which touching the only this point. So this will be the tangent. And if you're saying something, I can't hear you because you're mute.
So no need to draw this below line. Just name
Yeah,
this
this
line.
is also tangent. Yeah, this is also tangent. No? What I told you, the definition of tangent, any line just touching the circumference, the point of the circumference, it is called as tangent. Got it? Say yes or no?
Sir.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, so shall we do one more question? No, we'll do the next construction, last construction, and after this we'll complete this chapter by today. Okay. Now before doing this part, first listen to me. Turn on the camera now, please. Please. Okay. For example, this is a circle O, and this is a radius A. There is a one point P. Okay. So from like we know see, listen. A circle has infinite points, and we know that tangent is that line which is touching the one point. So miracle, how many tangents you can make? A circle is made up of infinite points. So and tangent only touches the one point. So like tangent can be drawn from any point and just touch the one point. So how many tangents you can make?
Uh, 4.
4. Okay. Like you're saying this one, this one, this one, and this one, like this.
Yeah.
Then what about this? This is also tangent.
Yeah. 8.
It's not 8, it's not 2, it's not 20, it's not 100, 1,000, lakh. No, it's infinite. Because circle is made up of infinite points and each point one tangent. So infinite point, infinite tangents.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Got it.
So circle has infinite tangents. You can write at the top of your copy. Circle has infinite tangents. Write it down quickly. Circle has infinite tangents. Okay, next part. Now listen. See guys, but if there is a point outside, and if I will ask that how many tangent can pass from the circle to the point, that the answer will be only 2. Okay, I'm repeating this part again. A point outside the circle can have only 2 tangents of the circle. Okay, the first one will be this one, like it's just touching the circle. It's just touching the circle and the point, like this. Got it? To adjust with the yeah, like this. Okay, one tangent and another tangent be like this. Okay, so a point outside the circle, only 2 tangent can pass through, not more than. Okay, write it down at the top of your copy. If a point which is outside the circle, if a point which is outside the circle, if a point which is outside the circle, only 2 tangent can pass through that point. Did you understand, Miracle, what concept I am teaching right now?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay, this is the point which is out in circle, and only 2 tangents can pass through. Agatha, David, Bethia, did you understand? Say yes or no? Okay. Now the next thing. The next one is this one. Draw a tangent to a circle from a given point outside the circle. Okay, there is a given point outside the circle. You have to draw the tangent point. Okay, so write this question with me and then we'll solve it. Question is, draw a circle um, 4 centimeter and a point 10 centimeter, not 10 centimeter, we put 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter away from the center of circle and draw tangent through it. And draw a tangent through it. Did you understand? So draw a circle of 4 centimeters there is a point outside the circle which is 7 centimeter away from the circle. 7 centimeter away from the circle, draw a tangent through it. So we know that this is the point outside the circle because 4 centimeter is less and 7 centimeter is outside only. So first of all, we'll draw the circle of 4 centimeter. Everyone draw the circle of 4 centimeter quickly. Quickly draw the circle of radius 4 centimeter. This is the 0 and this is the point A. Okay, and draw it and name it 4 centimeter. This will be 4 centimeter. Quickly draw this. Hello, David. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What happened before? You were not there in class?
So I was there. I had gone to wash my hands.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so you are getting this concept, no?
Yes, sir.
So why the camera is off?
So once again, I'll put it on.
Okay, done. I mean, I can done till here.
So 1 minute.
Oh, done till here.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now, miracle. We know that. Okay, we forgot to make a rough diagram. My bad. Like we have to make the rough diagram in which this you can make a circle of any measurement, but you have to make with the compass only. In that rough diagram also. So this
What's
is
the
sorry.
what's the use of rough diagram?
The rough diagram gives us that idea what is the measurement and how will you make it. That is the use, and it is also one of the main uses. It gives marks. So that is why we are making. Okay. So make a circle of 4 centimeter. Now, miracle, you tell me. This is the point outside the circle, which is 7 centimeter from the circle. So
Yes.
there is a point. This is O, which is center of the circle. This is the point A. So the point P, which is outside the center of the circle. So what is the AP distance?
7 centimeters.
No. OP is 7.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
talking about AP will be.
AP.
This whole OP is 7. This OA is 4. Then AP will be?
AP will be 3.
Yes, 3 centimeters. And then you draw the tangent through it. This is a rough diagram. Okay. Now, how will you draw this? I will shift this rough diagram because I will use this space. Okay, here then. Okay. Now, how will you solve this? So, from A, because we know that O till O to P is 7. So, the AP will be 3. So, draw a straight line and name this as P point. Okay. Let me change the color.
So should we draw a line 3 centimeter from A?
Oh, so just give me a second. Just give me a second. And you. Say what you saying?
I was just saying, like, should we make a 3 centimeter line from A to P?
Yeah, from A to P. That only you said, no? So we can draw 3 centimeter line. So I'll draw it. So this will be P, which is 3 centimeter. The total will become 7 centimeter. Did you understand? Did you understand? Hello guys, did you understand? Yes. So no. Now from O and P, you have to make the perpendicular bisector. O and P make the perpendicular bisector. How will you make? Open more than half, up and down, P, up and down. I'm repeating again. We got OP, which is the center of the circle and the outside the circle point. Make the perpendicular bisector. Open more than half, up and down, up and down. Draw it quickly. Done? Okay. So you got somewhere else like this. It is cutting the circle. It's gonna be cutting the circle.
Yes, sir.
Like this you got?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now what you have to do? Now what you have to do? Put your needle on this point. This point. Okay, put your needle here. Name this as M. Put the needle here, M. I'm repeating again. The work is not completed. You have to put the needle on M and then draw a circle. How will you
Sir,
draw the circle? Yeah.
1 second. I'm making the line. Yes, sir. I'm done.
Done. Now put your needle on M. This is the M point.
So how should we make M point?
Like the perpendicular bisector line. Like you make perpendicular bisector from P, no? From P and O. The line which is cutting the OP line, that line will be the M. Like I mark it with black color. Now put your needle on M, open it till O, and then draw a circle like this. Are you getting my point, Agatha, David? Say yes or no? Put your needle on M, open it till O, and draw the circle.
So can I show my diagram?
Just give me a second.
So can I see?
Yeah, show me now. Yeah, it's gonna be look like this. Correct. Can you see mine one also?
Yes.
Hmm? Now, now you got 2 points. This is the point number one. This is the one point which is cutting the another circle. The circle which you make, I make it with a black color, no? So the
Yes.
circle which you make, you get 2 points. This is P and this one is Q. not P. We'll put this one is L and this one is M. Now what you have to do, you have to draw a line which is passing through the L and touching the P. It's gonna be look like this part. Same, you have to draw the line. So you got two tangents. Everyone got this?
From L point to M point. Is that so?
Can you see it? Like this? And in the same way, the second tangent will be from M L P and P M are required tangents.
So
Yes.
the second circle, when you make it, we have to put the point on M and O, right? We have to measure.
Put your needle on M and then O
So
and then make a circle like this.
when I'm
And
making a
the second
circle,
circle,
the circumference is not on point P.
no, it should be. It should be. Otherwise, you made it wrong. If you are making from M and putting your needle on O because it is half. So from half you're making, then this half should also be there. Did you
So
understand?
but
Otherwise, you're.
AP,
Hmm,
so
hmm.
OA is 4 centimeters and AP is 3 centimeters.
No, I'm not talking about AP. I'm not saying you have to put it on needle on A. I'm saying needle should be on M. The M is the midpoint, not A. Getting my point? You made a perpendicular bisector of OP up and down, and you
Yes.
got a point M on OP. That M will be the midpoint, not A.
Okay. Okay, understood.
Okay? Mm. So here is the required tangent. Everyone got it? If you didn't get it, ask me, guys, please, quickly. Agatha, you got it? Miraculin?
Yes, sir.
David, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so Monday we are going to start a new chapter named as probability. We have completed this chapter.
Then when we will finish trigonometry, all of them.
After probability, we'll do cyclic one because the thing is, to trigonometry will take time. And okay, so trigonometry because you have done trigonometry, the application of trigonometry chapter. So we
I
can
have
do. Uh,
I haven't done trigonometry chapter at all.
so trigonometry and installment bank. These are the two big chapters are left. Rest are very small. So we'll complete the small one. Yes, there is a science class. We'll complete the small one, and then we'll jump to the trigonometry and all this.
And then when will we actually finish all of these?
Finish all of these means,
All of the math chapters.
yeah, we are able to complete it in time.
Okay.
We are doing it. No problem. Course completion, my problem. I'll take care of it. Okay, guys, if you're done, then take out your science copy quickly, and then we'll start the science class. Turn on the camera, everyone. Good morning to all. Joshua, Christina, how are you doing? Doing good? See, you didn't came and we completed the chapter in one go. Okay, so we were doing this. Chapter number 29. Okay, so we were learning this thing. So we did nitrogen fixation. So now we will read the nitrogen assimilation. Nitrogen assimilation. So Nidhi, can you read this nitrogen assimilation?
Yeah, nitrogen assimilation. Plant absorbs nitrogen in the form of nitrates
Underline
to,
this form of nitrates.
to prepare amino acid. This nitrogen is then taken up by the animals in the form of proteins through the food chain.
Yeah. So nitrogen is important. It is like protein is made up of nitrogen. In the 11th, 12th class, if you are going and opting for the biology, you will find it out the chain of the protein, how the amino acid is formed. So this is I'm not what I will say. I'm not uh, uh, I'm not putting fear in your mind, but this is the truth. You're going to learn the whole amino acid chain. I remember in my days. Okay. Now nitrogen assimilation done. Now aminification. Yes. So Nidhi, continue with the reading, please.
Okay, the proteins in the body of the animals are broken down into simpler form like urea and
Ammonia.
ammonia. The this are the removed. These are removed. These are then removed from the body along with urine and excreta. Dead plants and animals are returned nitrogen to the soil as ammonium component. These
Compounds.
ammonium compounds, these ammonium
Are then
components are then converted to ammonia. Then,
by
uh,
ammonifying bacteria. Okay,
wh-
so
what is
basically what
that?
happens? Ammonifying bacteria. What like I'll tell you ammonifying bacteria. So we ate protein. So nitrogenesis wastage, yes, it's a part of protein and it helps in body development. But nitrogen is not useful for us. You have read that our kidney used to remove filter the blood in which it removed the nitrogenaceous waste in the form of urine. So it means that nitrogen is not useful, but the protein has other essentials, like if you will go to the chain, that we can use it. So some of the nitrogenaceous wastes are come out of the body in the form of urea, in the form of ammonia. Okay. Now that, like for example, cow dung. Cow dung is not useful for the cow. That is why it is removing that nitrogenous waste. Now that cow dung will have a great amount of urea or ammonia. Now that there is a now if you will put cow dung on the rock, there's nothing will happen, no? Like on the rock, nothing will happen. But if you put it inside the soil, the cow dung will be consumed by the bacteria. And who are that bacteria? That bacteria is ammonifying bacteria. So you can see the diagram also. This is ammonifying bacteria. And this ammonifying bacteria is like feces or urine or dead animals. The nitrogen, the ammonia which is present, they are converting it into soil nitrates consumable by plants. Okay, nitrifying bacteria like these names are very important, guys. Please pay attention. Okay, these names are very important. This name. They ask you that what are the denitrifying bacteria, Pseudomonas or Nitrosobacter. So you can see that nitro means nitrifying, pseudo means false, false bacteria, who are just denitrifying the nitrogen into the nitrates into the nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Ammonify, yes.
So ammonifying bacteria converts dead animals or their feces to ammonia, while What is it?
No, not ammonia. From ammonia to the nitrates.
Ammonia to
Ammonifying. Sorry. You are correct. Ammonifying bacteria converts the nitrogen compounds in feces or urea or uh, urine or the dead animals into the ammonia. Still, the ammonia is not eatable by the plant. That ammonia is now nitrifying bacteria like Nitrosomonas or Nitrobacter. They convert it into the chapati of the plant, which is the NO3 nitrates. Did you understand?
and denitrifying bacteria converts this basic form back to the complex nitrogen.
Not complex. That is easy nitrogen. N2 is an easy, no? So NO3 to N2 is the, like for example, I can write it down. See, see. For example, so first of all, N2 to NO3. This is by Rhizobium bacteria. It is present in only leguminous plants. Okay. Then nitrogen in dead animal, we can say nitrogen compound. Nitrogen compound in dead animal. In dead animal can be converted first by ammoni sorry ammonifying bacteria to ammonia. This is called as ammonia. And still the ammonia is not eatable. So nitrifying. Now sorry, nitrifying bacteria like pseudomonas. No, not pseudomonas. Nitrosomonas. Nitrosomonas. Convert them into NO3, which is consumable. So this is how it happens. Did you
So,
understand? Mm.
so like what I understood is like nitrogen complex that is in dead animals like fetus and urine. When it is in the soil, it's consumed by the bacteria which is in the soil, which is ammonia bacteria.
Ammonifying. Mm.
Yeah, it converts to a complex component, and then the nitrifying bacteria simplifies that.
Simplifies that to NO. And
Okay.
then some of the, as I told you, nitro, anti-nitrogen, like NO3 is there, which is eatable, but they reconvert into nitrogen, which is not useful for the plant. That is called as what? Denitrifying.
So it's like N2 to NH3, then NH3 to NO3.
Hmm. NO3, that is the this part. But there are some bacteria like Pseudomonas and all. They are called as denitrifying bacteria because they convert the nitrates into N2 again. Very bad bacteria. Don't like that. Write it down. These are the important things. You can write it down in your copy so that you can easily learn. Quickly write it down. Till then, I'll open one more PDF because this PDF is glitched. Why it is happening? Somebody tell me the reason, no? Any reason? Why this
You're
PDF?
a Zoom genius yet?
I mean, this part, no genius. I mean, every time it's get glitch. David, do you have any idea?
So,
Uh,
are you copy pasting it?
No, I am uploading it.
Uh,
Why? Okay, write it down. Done?
yes, sir.
Okay. Next part. Nitrification. So, yeah, who will do it? Miracle will do it. Miracle, please read it.
Yeah. Nitrification. Conversion of ammonia into nitrates is called nitrification. Nitrifying bacteria like uh, Nitrosobacter and Nitrosomonas found in the soil convert ammonia into nitrates. Some other bacteria present in the soil convert ammonia into nitrates. Some of this
Nitrites.
nitrites. Some of those nitrates and nitrites are given are again taken up by the plants for their nutrition. Nitrifying bacteria to convert ammonia to nitrate.
So that's now only we learn. Nitrifying bacteria is ammonia to nitrates, which is consumable by the plants, like a chapati for the plant. Christina, you understood? How are you doing? Not feeling well?
Yes, sir, I understood.
What happened?
I'm just not feeling well, sir. I'm sick a bit.
Okay. Okay,
So
now DNAT. Yeah,
in
yeah,
that
Christina.
in that formula below so like what's the formula? Could you tell it? I'm not able to understand.
Which part? Which part?
The N2 part from N2 to NO3, the up one.
This
Yeah.
one.
Yes.
So I told you, na, like leguminous plants has there is a relationship between bacteria called as rhizobium. So
I
rhizobium,
understand that,
huh,
but what is the below part? What is that
this
plant name?
one.
Yeah.
You're not able to understand the gold medal handwriting?
Yes, sir. Very much.
Yes, leguminous plant,
Okay, sir.
which is also called as pulses. Like all the pulses comes under the leguminous plant.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hmm. Denitrifying bacteria. Yes, miracle. Please read it. I'm hurted by Christina.
Denitrifying bacteria like Pseudomonas and Clostridium living in the
Good.
soil reduce the soil nitrites and nitrates into nitrogen, which is returned back into the atmosphere.
Correct. Denitrifying. Denitrifying bacteria always do the anti-nitrogen. Anti-nitrogen means they changes the food which is for the plant NO3 into the N2. No use of that. Bad bacteria. Okay. Done? Did you understand? Now it can come in 5 marks. So put a star mark on. The nitrogen cycle is 5 marks question. You have to make
so
the diagram as well as explain everything. Yes,
I didn't understand
please.
what you wrote over here. Um,
Which one?
so nitrogen compound in red and at the end, what you wrote in red.
This one?
No, or what you wrote in red pen.
This one?
Yeah.
Yes.
David, now I will check the science copy. Nitrosomonas. Nitro and see you can't read this. This is N, this is
That's an
Itrosomonas.
S.
So
I
the
was
S
thinking
Yeah.
that's
Yeah,
an
that
X.
is
I was
that
thinking
I
that's an
also thought.
X.
Yeah, I also thought it was
How is that an
X.
S?
But I could
This is
understand
S.
both nitrosomes.
How you can
so
this
it
is not
looks like
S.
Z.
That looks like yeah, I thought it's an X.
Looks like a V.
How it can be X? X gonna be look like this, no?
That is what you've drawn. It looks like that.
My God.
It looks like a super.
You guys see, like NITROSOMONAS. Simple.
Now it's better, sir.
Handwriting class.
Okay, next. Water cycle. Water cycle. So please, Miracle, please read this.
Water cycle. You all know that water is very essential for all living organisms, but the earth has a limited amount of water. The water keeps going from one component of an ecosystem to another component in a cyclic manner, which is called the water cycle. Figure
So you
29.
guys can see here that there is a process called as evaporation, in which the water in the lake or in the pond, with the help when sunlight is there, it evaporates and it goes up because all hot things goes in the upward direction. So it makes a cloud. There is a word written as transpiration. Now, what is transpiration? As I told you before, also, transpiration is the loss of water from the plants. And I told you before that also that desert plants do not make their food in the daytime. Everyone do photosynthesis. Every plant do photosynthesis. They make their food in the daytime, but desert plants only do the dinner at night time. Why?
So,
Because the daytime, when they will make the food, the water will evaporate. Desert plant doesn't have water. If they will do their food time in the daytime, water will evaporate, they will die. So instead of that, they do the making food in night time, not in the daytime.
so
Okay? Yeah.
what did you say transpiration means?
Transpiration is the loss of water by the plants while making the food. Transpiration is the loss of water by the plants while making the food. Okay. Now, so we learn about evaporation, in which the the sunlight makes water to evaporate and make a cloud. Okay. And transpiration also, the loss of water goes up and make a cloud. And after some time, this cloud evaporates and draw into the this fact precipitate. Precipitate means rain. Precipitation, you can write it down here as rain. RAIN. I hope this is rain which I wrote according to you guys. Okay, rain. Okay, this is rain. So condensation is okay. So basically, condensation is water droplets into cloud. Evaporation, water to water vapor. Condensation is water vapor to cloud. Precipitation is cloud into the water, means the rain. Did you understand? No? Hmm?
Can you repeat that all again?
Evaporation, water to water vapor. Condensation, water vapor to cloud because of cooling. And precipitation is because of extreme water in the cloud, there is a rain. That is called as precipitation. So you guys can see evaporation, cloud form because of condensation. Okay, the rain happens, the water came again into the ocean, and then again evaporation. So there is a cycle. This cycle is called as water cycle. Did you understand, Christina?
So what about the ground level water flow? What is the
Ground waterfall is what that basically, for example, there's a garden in front of you. Now the rain happened. So rain happened for some time. The garden is full, like the water is logging in the garden. Means the water is all over the garden. After some time, what will happen? The garden, the water in the garden, okay, it goes in the underground. That is called as underground water. Okay, so underground water, it like when underground water is collected, it make a way to the tube well, to the wells, to the lake, like that.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Now next part. So yes, uh, who is saying my handwriting is bad? David, no. This is homework for all. Okay, this is the homework for all. Okay, David.
Thank you, not David.
Yeah, say thank you to David. Okay. Okay, now ecosystem. Ecosystem. So we are going to learn about ecosystem. So we learn about that ecosystem is made up of non-living also and living also. Perfect. Hmm. So now there is a word called as adaptation. Adaptation. So what is adaptation? For example, if did you see um, who the persons, the people who are living on the mountain? Did you saw them? Did you observe them? What they have difference in them? Did you observe why camel can only walk in the desert, not elephant? Huh? Did you observe why the polar bear can able to live in the polar region? Hmm?
Maybe
Nobody.
because they're
Hmm.
adapted to the place.
What is the adapted? Like, what is the thing that they adapted?
The weather.
Like polar bear. Good,
Hmm.
good.
Nobody's speaking. Got
Okay,
it, got it.
yeah, sorry. So polar bear is adapted to winter, like the cold,
Why? What is
because
the change in them? Yeah,
because of
because he lives. I can.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
Their fur, because of the fur.
because of their fur. So in the same way, camel. Why camel? Because camel has a big foot. Okay. Now, if camel can, like giraffe, if giraffe will go, giraffe has small, like a formal shoes. Okay. Then if he go in the desert, then he's just going down and down and down, no up. But camel has a wider feet so that he can walk on the desert sand easily. In the same way, the if I will talk about people in the living in this, so they are like this, yeah, sure, like this. Means their eyes are very slim. Sorry for that. Okay, so basically, why? Because in that cloud area there is less oxygen is there. So for that less oxygen, they have to they have, like, we know that the mountain has less oxygen as compared to the normal sea level. Okay, why? Because the if you will go up and up and up and up, then the oxygen level decreases. Okay, that is why we can see people who are living on the mountain. They have the less eyesight, or they look little different. Like for example, if a person who comes in front of me, I used to say, "Are you from Northeast? Are you from Nepal?" Why? Because they look different. Because there is a lot of mountain, and because of the mountain, they are looking like they came from mountain. Did you understand? No, there is no discrimination thing, but I'm just saying that they look different because of not if like for example if a Nepali family, if they come to the any ground level and if they have a children, they might not have that thing. They may have also, they may not be have. Okay, why may have? Because sometimes it comes into the genes also, and sometimes it comes from the environment also. Did you understand? So we are going to learn about the adaptation in organism in the coming chapter, and I guess by how much is there? By 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It takes next next week it will complete it. Okay. Okay, guys. Understood? So we'll, yeah,
Can you check our science paper test?
I will check this week. We have night prayer. Whole night I will
Okay.
get up. Like night is only prayer, and then Saturday morning to evening sleeping, and then Saturday evening also. Just kidding, not morning to evening. Just for 2 hours. I have lots of work. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off, Vashabake. Sayonara. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
Bye,
bye,
sir.
bye.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
So
everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Hello, all. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning.